Hey everyone, this is 3D Dave and today's video is an unboxing again. Something I bought on the internet for some dark days. Well, it was actually not really dark days. It is a daylight therapy lamp and I would actually like to abuse it to light my 3D printings during the night. But hey, unbox the thing and see what happens. We have something on the back. You can change color, you can change the strength. It is LED, it is UV free. Oh, that's nice from my UV prints, for my resin prints. There is brightness control and a timer. And that one is not what I had in mind, 60 minutes. But anyway, let's see. Ha! Manual. It is definitely well packaged. You can turn it, you can swivel it, so you can put it like this, or you can put it like that. What does the manual say? Some warnings, of course. It only works on AC. So let's give it some AC. Goes in there, and then let's see what this say. We can, okay, that, my friend, is bright. So I am a little bit blinded now. Okay, this button is the one for brightness. That's for the color. And that's for the brightness. See if we can. Yeah. You can see the color changing. Can put it to 60 minutes and then it will stay. So basically, this thing does what it says. It is a white light, so it's a daylight simulation. There are different color temperatures from 3K up to 6K, and then the intensity goes from 2000 lux until 12,000 lux. And like we saw at the beginning, I think it was set to 12,000 lux to start with, which is a very, very bright light. It goes from, what's that, 15 minutes to an hour. The idea is that you just set it near where you are. You don't have to look into it, but you can set it like something like here, and then read a book or do whatever, and the light will come in and will generate that daylight feeling. At least that's the idea. I don't know if it works. I didn't purchase with the intent to mimic daylight. What I will probably be using it for is to light up my my videos. That's an idea. I thought I would use it for my prints, but let's use it to light up my videos. Let's see what happens if I do that. So that's it. it doesn't stay like this, but it will have to be. Yeah, that's something I will figure out. It was packaged quite well, so that's it. If you like these unpacking videos, please let me know. We will make more from the things that we buy, useful or not. I do buy some stuff in China, so if you like the videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.